Hi everyone, with me today I have this amazing measuring bowl scale. That is right, so there is a measuring bowl right here and the bottom is a scale. As you can see, you can detach it completely to clean the bowl as you wish, or even use it as a regular bowl, and you can pop it back in here whenever you need to measure something. It is super easy to use and it has a couple different modes, including water, oil, flour, and milk, and you can also switch between units to measure in grams or ounces slash pounds. It's absolutely amazing what this thing can do. It makes it super easy to measure things out in the kitchen while you are cooking. I definitely recommend you guys to check this out, and of course it comes with its own instruction manual so you can learn all the tips and tricks to getting around to using this in your kitchen, and it's really going to help, trust me, especially when you're making yummy recipes. Check it out on Amazon. It is a kitchen must-have.